Welcome to the Tools and Workspace Setup lesson. Before we can repair electronics effectively, we need the right tools and a safe, organized space to work in. In this video, I'll walk you through the essential, intermediate, and advanced tools every electronics technician should have, along with how to set up your repair workspace. Basic tools. Your daily repair kit 1. Screwdriver set. You'll need flathead, Phillips, and star screwdrivers in various sizes. These are used to open TVs, fridges, mobile phones, and more. Wire cutters and strippers used for trimming and preparing wires when repairing or modifying circuits. Soldering iron, 30 watts to 60 watts, essential for removing and replacing faulty components. I recommend a temperature-controlled iron if possible. The desoldering pump or braid. When you remove components, you'll need to suck or wick away old solder cleanly and safely. These basic tools are enough to get started with most repair tasks. Intermediate tools for more precision and SMD work. Hot air rework station. This is important for working with SMD, surface-mounted devices, like those found in mobile phones and modern PCBs. 2. Magnifying glass or microscope grate for inspecting small solder joints, cracked traces, or burnt components. 3. ESD mat and wrist strap. Electrostatic discharge can damage sensitive ICs. Always work on an ESD-safe surface and wear a wrist strap to ground yourself. Component tester, LCR ESR meter. Quickly test resistors, capacitors, diodes, and more without needing full circuit power. Tweezers and flux paste tweezers help handle tiny SMDs. Flux ensures smooth, clean soldering by reducing oxidation. 1. Oscilloscope. Lets you visualize voltage signals in real time. Very useful for diagnosing SMPS, clock signals, or microcontroller activity. Bench power supply gives you stable voltage and current for testing boards without their original power source. Function generator useful for injecting test signals into audio circuits, amplifier stages, or timing systems. 4. USB microscope. Inexpensive and useful for zooming into pads, micro cracks, or SMD joints, especially for YouTube or repair videos. 5. BGA rework station. Only needed if you're doing laptop or phone IC replacement at the BGA level. Not required for most technicians, but a future upgrade. Start with what you can afford and build your toolkit step by step. Even with just the basics, you can repair most common faults. As your skills and income grow, you can invest in intermediate and advanced tools to take on more complex jobs. Now that your tools are ready, let's move on to learning how electronics work, starting with voltage, current, and resistance.